Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today I'm here with a quick and easy eyebrow tutorial. I have been getting a lot of requests lately to show my recent eyebrow routine, and you can see it is the before part and here is the after part. Now guys, brows are personal preference. Some people like their brows to look really natural, some people like them to look a bit dramatic, and some people like them to look a bit bushy. But these are the brows that I like, and I have hooded eyes. It just enhances the eye shape and the facial feature. According to me, these are not too dramatic and these are not too simple either. And if you follow these steps, you will achieve perfect looking brows each time you do your makeup. Trust me. So, yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So, my first tip is take a tissue paper or any handkerchief or any paper towel and just remove the moisturizer or facial oil or anything that you have applied earlier. If you do not do so, then your brow product will not stick to your skin or your brows, and it will slip and slide off. Now, taking a spoolie, I'm just combing my brows upwards. I'm taking this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the shade Black Brown, and I'm taking an angled brush like this one. You can use any brow pomade, any brow powder, or even you can use a brow pencil. And now I'm just drawing the borders of my brows. First, I'm just outlining it using small hair like strokes and taking little by little product. I am just following the natural shape of my brows and I'm just framing them. Again, I'm using small strokes here. Now I'm just doing the top part, and you can see I have left a little bit of gap. I'm not doing it right from the beginning of my brows, if that makes sense. I have left a little bit of gap, and from there I'm doing the same thing. I'm following the natural shape of my brows and using small hair like strokes. I am just slowly framing my brows and giving them a very nice shape, you can see. So it's not looking perfect right now, but it will look perfect, I promise you. And you can see I have given my brows a nice decent shape. If you want your brows to look really bolder, then you can overdraw it a bit, but for me it's just fine. And now taking the same brush and the same product, I'm doing the front part, and you can see I am just drawing fairly three vertical strokes, three or four maybe, like this, nothing much. The front part is pretty much done, and now following the direction of the hair growth, I'm just filling up any gaps and sparse areas. And again, I'm using small hair like strokes. I'm not using large strokes, that way your brows may look a little bit unnatural. So yeah, I'm just filling up the gaps and sparse areas because I do not want my skin to show through. It will not look good. Now with the spoolie, I'm just combing my brows. Now I am just combing it in an upward direction for the front part, and for the tail part I am combing it in a horizontal direction. Now if you remove some of the products during this step, you can always go back and apply some more product. Now I am taking this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade 25 medium, and I am just cleaning up the borders. This part is really important. It just makes your brows stand out even more, and it just gives your brows a very nice shape. But do not take a concealer that is way too light for your skin tone. You can use your regular foundation as well. If you take a really lighter concealer, then it will be really hard to blend with your foundation and it will not look good. So either take your foundation or take a concealer that is just a tad bit lighter than your skin tone, And one more tip, do not take a lot of product. Take very little amount of product and clean up your brows. Again, if you take a lot of product, then it will be really hard to blend with your foundation and it will not look good. And here I have like cleaned up the borders, and now I'm going to diffuse the edge of the concealer so that it blends beautifully with my foundation. And here I have done the other brow off camera, and it is pretty much done. It is really easy, it's not too dramatic, but there are some really small details you have to follow them. If you do not follow them, then your brows may look a little bit disastrous, but for me personally it is just perfect. Again, I do not want my brows to look overly dramatic, and I do not want them to look really natural either. This is something that I prefer, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel, and if you can share this video with your friends and family, then it will mean a lot to me. Please do so. And if you have any question regarding this tutorial, then feel free to comment down below. I always get back to your comments and I always reply you back, so do not hesitate, just leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please do check that out. If you are interested in these two eye looks, I will have it linked at the end of the video, so you can always click on those two images to watch these two tutorials. So yes, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.